puking out the rear main seal.
Really? Oh, it's all coming from up here, huh?
Yeah.
Oh boy, that's not even oil.
There should be no water in this engine. The drain plug is 21 millimeters. Why?
Well, it's the first year of the water-cooled Volkswagens.
Oh, yeah.
Putting the drain pan under it?
I gotta loosen it first.
I can grab it.
There we go. Alright. See, I can't even...
Oh, yeah.
Oh, my God. Are you taping this?
Yes.
Okay. How much water do you think's in here?
I don't want to know.
Okay.
Well, it's definitely water.
Yes, it is.
Oh, God.
You know this is supposed to hold 2 quarts, right?
Uh-huh.
It's still going.